We'll turn our attention next to automating a monthly manpower report using macros. This is exercise 7, saved as exercise 7 complete in order to preserve the structure of the original data. Take a few seconds to review the data in terms of the categories provided. Next, we're going to start recording a macro. To do that, you'll click the View field and find Record Macro. One note before I begin recording. If you make a major mistake and distort the data, stop recording macro and reboot. The system is recording your strokes and mouse clicks, and therefore anything that you apply is recorded into the macro. If you make a minor mistake, you can undo it, but big mistakes, I would suggest just stop and reboot. So with that in mind, we'll begin recording the macro. We're going to describe this macro as format underscore manpower report. It will be saved in this workbook, and we'll click OK. The macro is now recording. So the first thing we're going to do is select that header cell, and we're going to format it so that it is merged. We will next make it 14 pitch font, bolded and centered. We'll turn to the subheading line and apply a similar process where we will merge bold and center. We'll format the header row in a similar way. So first we'll select A4 through G4, and we'll apply a bold, and we'll provide a fill color. In this case, let's go with a gray. This allows the headers to stand out from the rest of the data. So we've got the header line bolded and centered, the subheader line similarly bolded and centered, and the major categories highlighted. Next, we're going to format the count fields. So we'll highlight B5 through F13. We're going to apply a comma style. So we will select number and use a comma separator and reduce the decimals to 0. Next, we're going to format the training complete field as a percentage field. So we'll highlight the percentage field, and we will make that a percentage with decimals set to 0. Next, we're going to format the total and average row. So we'll select A13 through G13. We will bold that row so it too stands out. We'll add borders to the report, selecting A4 through G13 and going to our borders function. We will apply all borders. We'll next auto-fit the columns so that we reduce that overlap. So clicking auto-fit column width, we've now auto-fitted the columns. So we've formatted this report. We will now stop the macro, click View, Stop Recording. If you get this prompt, you will discard the script. Now we've got a macro recorded that can be applied to subsequent sheets. Just to confirm that macro is in place, we will view the macro list. We do have format manpower report recorded. And we're going to click cancel as this format is already recorded. Next, we're going to apply that macro to the February report. So we'll click on that February report. We'll run the macro by clicking View Macros and Run. And as you can see, the same macro that was applied to the January report is now applied to the February report. And similarly, we'll run the macro on the March report. So, View Macros, Run, and that format is similarly applied to the March report. So, with that, you have formatted a monthly manpower report using macros. Now it's your turn on exercise 7.